In this video, we're going to build upon a broadcast receiver we built earlier. This time, we're going to take advantage of this action here, Android Net Wi-Fi state change. And what this does is this will alert us to when the Wi-Fi state changed. For example, scanning, connecting, obtaining IP address, connected, disconnecting, disconnected. We might want to stop something proactively when we're disconnecting, or we might want to do something only when we are actually connected. So I already have a broadcast receiver I've built in a previous video. And if we take a look, I have if active network info is null, active network info get type, connectivity manager, Wi-Fi type. That's going to tell us if we're connected. We can be a little bit smarter about this now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to say intent.get parcelable extra, and I need to pass the name. I'm going to do Wi-Fi manager, and then extra network info. Now I'm going to assign this to a variable. Control-Shift-V in Android Studio. We're going to call this one network info. Okay, parcelable is too general, so I'm going to go back and change that to network info. Uh-oh, looks like I lost something. Network info, network info equals intent.get parcelable extra. Okay, and then save. Okay, terminate with the semicolon. And now I'm going to say network info .get detailed state. Terminate with the semicolon. Again, Control-Shift-V, and assign that to a variable called detailed state. There we go. Okay, detailed state is going to tell us a lot of good information. We can say if detailed state equal detailed state, capital D, because that's the type on the right, it's the variable on the left. Detailed state dot connected. You see everything we have here: authenticating, blocked, captive portal check, connected, connecting, disconnected, disconnecting. So connected, we can go ahead and say Wi-Fi true. Anything else, we can say Wi-Fi false. And we might want to do even more action here. If we get, maybe we want to do something like else if. Now let's say detailed state equals disconnected or disconnecting. Or we'll combine it with an or clause. Detailed state equal detailed state disconnecting. Maybe then we want to proactively and go out and maybe kill some processes that are running that depend on the network. So things like downloading data, uploading data. So maybe we will issue a pause active process call here in that case. Alt-Enter and create method. Okay, and there we go. And we haven't actually implemented the download or the upload, but when we do, we could go in here and possibly interrupt a thread that's running. We could go and find a way to interrupt it, say, hey, you're losing network connectivity. I'm going to pause you, and maybe we'll resume next time we're connected again. But this allows us to prevent an exception from coming up that might happen if we have lost our Wi-Fi. So plenty of other things that we can do. We saw there are several other statuses we can check for: scanning, obtaining IP address, several others like that. But you see, by getting this Wi-Fi manager and getting the network info and then the detailed state, you can find out not only is the Wi-Fi connected, but in what process of the life cycle is it while it's connected or disconnected. I hope this has been helpful. Let me know how you've used it. I'll take a look at your comments, and I'm excited to see what uses you've found for it. Thank you.